When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say? Do you smile? Do you shake hands? Or do you say, "Hello, my name is..." Introducing yourself is simple, but very important. Today, we will practice how to introduce yourself in English. Welcome or welcome back to the American English Podcast. This is the Slow English Podcast series. I speak slowly and clearly so you can understand and learn with me. Our topic today is introduce yourself. Why is this useful? Because every new friendship, every new job, and every new class begins with an introduction. If you know how to introduce yourself, you feel more confident. And when you feel confident, people feel comfortable with you. So, how do you introduce yourself in English? It is simple. You can follow 4 easy steps. Step 1. Say hello. You can say hello. You can say hi. Both are friendly. Try it now. Say hello. Very good. Now say hi. Step 2. Say your name. For example, my name is Anna. Repeat after me. My name is Anna. Or you can say, I'm Anna. Repeat, I'm Anna. Now, practice with your own name. Say, my name is... Step 3. Share 1 or 2 details. You can say your age. Example, I am 25 years old. Repeat, I am 25 years old. Or you can say where you are from. Example, I am from Mexico. Repeat, I am from Mexico. Now practice. Say, I am from, and use your country. You can also share a hobby. Example, I like music. Repeat, I like music. Or, I like cooking. Repeat, I like cooking. Now it's your turn. Say, I like, and add your hobby. Step 4. Be polite. End with nice to meet you. Say it with me. Nice to meet you. Again, nice to meet you. Now, let's put it all together. Example 1. Hello, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I am from Mexico. I like music. Nice to meet you. Repeat this full introduction slowly with me. Let's try another example. Example 2. Hi, I'm David. I am 30 years old. I'm from Canada. I like basketball. Nice to meet you. Practice with me. Hi, I'm David. I am 30 years old. I'm from Canada. I like basketball. Nice to meet you. And one more example. Example 3. Hello, my name is Lisa. I am 22. I come from Japan. I enjoy reading books. Nice to meet you. Practice with me. Hello, my name is Lisa. I am 22. I come from Japan. I enjoy reading books. Nice to meet you. Great job! Now you have heard 3 different introductions: Anna, David, and Lisa. Each one is short, clear, and polite. You can do the same with your own details. Let's review some useful words. Introduce. To tell someone your name and information. Example: I introduce myself to new classmates. Confident. Feeling sure and strong. Example: she feels confident when she speaks English. Hobby. Something you enjoy doing. Example: my hobby is playing soccer. And one important expression: nice to meet you. A polite way to end your introduction. Example: Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you. So, today we learned how to introduce yourself in English. Remember the steps. Say hello, say your name, share 1 or 2 details, and finish with nice to meet you. It is simple, it is friendly, and it makes people smile. Now, let's practice together. Say your introduction out loud. Say, hello, my name is, I am years old, I am from, I like, nice to meet you. Very good. Practice again, but change the detail. Maybe add your favorite food. Example: I like pizza. Now you try. I like. For more practice, let's do something different. Try to introduce a friend. Example: this is my friend Tom. He is 28. He is from Brazil. He likes football. Nice to meet you. Now introduce a family member. Example: this is my sister. Her name is Sarah. She is 20. She is from the US. She likes dancing. Nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Think of one friend or one family member. Try to introduce them in English. Excellent work today. Thank you for listening to the American English Podcast. Listen to this episode again to practice your pronunciation and rhythm. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new slow English story. See you next time.